Hi, my name is Richard Lazovic, and I am the iTech Tutor. My goal is making technology easy for you. This is one in a group of videos that I am creating called Introduction to Shortcuts, Tips, and Hints to help you use your computer more efficiently and effectively. I will be demonstrating using an Apple Mac computer, but many of these principles apply to Windows PCs also. If you like this video and want to see more, please tap the like button and hit subscribe. Occasionally you want to select a group of files or folders to do something to them, such as move them somewhere or delete them. Sometimes they are contiguous, right next to each other, and other times they are all spread out. So to get started, if you have a list of files, such as the ones shown here on the screen, I can select one file by moving my mouse on top of it and clicking, and you'll see it's selected. If I hit it twice, then I can change the name, but that's not the goal here. So I've selected one file. Now, if I hold the Command button on the Mac or Control button on a PC, and then I can click another file, I can select that. And then I can select as many files as I want. Now, as long as I keep my finger on that Command button, I can select files that are next to each other or all spread out. I can also unselect a file. Oops, I didn't want that one, so I just unselected it. I can unselect this one too. And now I can click with my mouse and drag all the files somewhere that I want to, or I can do something else. So I can drag them and copy them into another folder if I have that window open. I can right-click and move it to the trash on a Mac. You have a similar option on the PC. I can rename those 5 items or do what I want. Now, suppose I want to select a bunch that are right next to each other. That's even easier. I can select the first one in the group. Instead of holding on the Command or Control button, if I hold the Shift button, I can go to the other end of the files I want to select and click on that, and it selects everything in between, including the 2 at each end that I clicked on. Now, if I've selected this whole series and then I say, oh wait, I don't want this one in the middle, I can put my finger on the Command button and click to unselect or deselect it. And I can do that again however I want. So to summarize, if I hold my finger on the Command button, I can select specific files. If I hold my finger on the Shift button, I can select a range of files. One more feature, as long as we're at it, is the Select All or Command A button. And if I do that, I just select one file anywhere in the group, hold down the Command or Control button, and hit A, and it will select everything. And in this case, you can see I had 1,000 files, 1,090, and I've selected all of them. And if I just click on one, I can undo it. Anyway, I hope you found this useful. Again, I'm going to be creating a lot more shortcuts, so please be checking back. And if you like this, please hit the like button and hit subscribe. Have a good day.